Krubera Cave is located in the Arabica Massif, Georgia. Krubera is over 2,197 meters deep, making it the world's deepest cave. Exploration requires advanced caving skills and safety precautions. Frequent flooding and narrow passages increase the danger. Temperatures inside are extremely cold, near freezing. Extreme darkness is another challenge for explorers. Sharp rock formations pose physical hazards. Explorers may face difficulties from limited oxygen supply. Navigation is complex, with many branches and dead ends. Injuries can occur, making rescue operations difficult. Rescue teams often face harsh conditions and risks. Stories of past cave accidents highlight its inherent dangers. Despite the risks, Krubera attracts passionate cavers worldwide. Scientific discoveries inside add to its intrigue. The cave remains an enigmatic marvel of nature.